Are humans still evolving? It's a question that might have crossed your mind. Let's dive into it. This thought-provoking query sets the stage for an exploration that's about to unfold. It's a journey through time, genetics, and the very essence of what makes us human. This question, simple yet profound, invites you to pause and ponder. Is our species, with all its remarkable capabilities and complexities, still undergoing change? So are we, as a species, still changing and evolving? To answer this question, we first need to understand what evolution is. So, let's dive in, shall we? Imagine evolution as a slow, grand play unfolding over billions of years. The actors in this play are all the organisms that have ever lived, including us humans. The script, if you will, is written by a process called natural selection. Natural selection is like a discerning director, choosing which actors get to stay on the stage. It favors individuals that are best suited to their environment, allowing them to survive and pass on their traits to the next generation. But where do these traits come from, you might ask? The answer lies in genetic mutations. These are tiny changes in an organism's DNA that can lead to new characteristics. Think of them as unexpected plot twists that can change the course of the play. Over time, these genetic changes can accumulate, leading to significant differences between species. We call this process adaptation. It's like a character evolving over the course of a narrative, gradually becoming something else entirely. But remember, evolution is not a climb towards perfection. It's more of a dance, responding to the rhythm of the environment. It's about survival, not superiority, and it's happening all around us even now. So, what is evolution, you ask? Evolution, in essence, is change over time. It's the story of life's endless experimentation, of survival and adaptation, all written in the language of DNA. Now that we understand what evolution is, let's look at the evidence of human evolution. Over the years, countless fossils have been unearthed, providing us with glimpses into our past. These fossils range from the remains of ancient hominids like Lucy, a 3.5 million-year-old Australopithecus afarensis, to more recent Neanderthal specimens. Each fossil is a piece of the puzzle, helping us understand how humans have morphed and adapted over millions of years. But the evidence of human evolution isn't just buried in the ground, it's also encoded within us, in our very DNA. Genetic studies have revealed key changes in our genes that have shaped us into who we are today. For instance, a single genetic mutation about 10,000 years ago allowed some of us to digest lactose, a sugar found in milk, into adulthood. This adaptation gave dairy-consuming populations a nutritional edge, demonstrating how our genes have changed to suit our environments and lifestyles. Physiological differences among various human populations also provide evidence of our ongoing evolution. Take, for instance, the Sherpa people of the Himalayas. They've adapted to thrive in high-altitude, low-oxygen environments, a feat that leaves many of us gasping for breath. These adaptations are a testament to how our bodies continue to change and evolve in response to our surroundings. The evidence of human evolution is compelling, but does it mean we're still evolving? So, are humans still evolving? The answer may surprise you. The short answer is absolutely yes. Our species, like all others on this planet, continues to evolve. We are not the same as our ancestors who lived thousands of years ago, and we won't be the same as our future descendants. Recent studies show that genetic changes are still happening. For instance, over the past few thousand years, humans living in high-altitude areas have developed a greater capacity for processing oxygen, a clear sign of adaptation to their environment. Also, some scientists argue that our rapid technological advancement and societal changes could be driving a new kind of evolution, one that's less about physical changes and more about cognitive ones. It's a fascinating field of study, and while the changes are often subtle and slow, they're undeniably there. So yes, humans are still evolving, albeit at a pace that's hard for us to perceive. So we've learned that humans are still evolving, even if it's not in the way we might think. The process of evolution doesn't stop. It's an ongoing journey, with every generation adding a new chapter to the story. The intriguing question of whether we are still evolving opens a door to a realm of knowledge that's as fascinating as it is vast. Remember, evolution isn't just about the past, it's a process that's happening right now, within us. So, what do you think? Are we still evolving? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking discussions.